How to build wealth over 15 years. Your starting investment today is $1,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 9%, excluding taxes. $100 monthly contribution turns into $40,306. $200 monthly contribution grows to $76,970. $300 monthly contribution equates to $113,634. $400 monthly contribution balloons to $150,298. $500 monthly contribution becomes $186,962. $600 monthly contribution grows to $223,626. $700 monthly contribution turns into $260,289. $800 monthly contribution becomes $296,953. $900 monthly contribution grows to $333,617. $1,000 monthly contribution becomes $370,281. It will require a monthly contribution of $2,718 over 15 years to accrue $1,016.